My name is Yas Izrawal. Welcome to my channel IT Professional. This is an introduction for two series of videos that will cover the two exams, 70-336 Core Solutions of Microsoft Lync Server 2013 and 70-337 Enterprise Voice and Online Services with Microsoft Lync Server 2013. Unified communication system means is that you can take emails, voicemail, phones, video conferencing, web conferencing, and instant messaging, take all that and put it in one product or a series of products together and create what is known as the Unified Communications System. In the world of Microsoft's Unified Communications Platform, Microsoft released Microsoft Lync Server, which is the communications software that introduces many new features. There are two versions of Microsoft Lync, Microsoft Lync 2010 and Microsoft Lync 2013. With the updates of Lync Server 2010 to Lync Server 2013, there are many new features included. We are going to focus here on Lync Server 2013. What do you need to run Lync Server 2013? We need first Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1 64-bit edition or Windows Server 2012 64-bit. Also we need the physical box, which is recommended from Microsoft. For the RAM we need 32 GB at least of RAM. We need CPU dual processor hexa-core 2.6 GHz or more. For the disk we need 8 disk or more, 10,000 RPM rotate per minute, and 72 gigabit free disk space. For the software we need Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5 and Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 redistributable package 64. For the NIC card we need 2 NIC card network interface card 1 gigabit per second. The user account that is running to install the Lync server must be a member of domain admins group. For the administrative tools on the Lync server 2013, we have the Lync server control panel that can configure up to 90% to 95%. We say that because Lync server control panel cannot configure and do in RBAC, which is role-based access control, for example, and cannot do, for example, create an announcement. This is just as an example. For the Lync server management shell, this can configure everything up to 100%. Lync server topology builder, we have also central management database. Lync server control panel, this is in an image, which consists for enabling the users. We have here users, topology, instant messaging and presence, persistent chat, voice routing, voice features, response groups, conferencing, clients, federation, and external access. You can configure also here monitoring and archiving. You can configure security. You can also configure network configuration. For the Lync server management shell, we have here this image for Lync server management shell, which is PowerShell version 2. We have here an image for Lync server topology builder. Here in this series of videos we have two parts. The first part, which covers the exam 70-336 core solution of Microsoft Lync Server 2013. This is only the introduction. For the next videos we're gonna cover the Lync Server 2013 server roles. We have several roles for the Lync server. For example, the front end server, the back end server, is persistent chat, backend, persistent chat compliance. We have edge server, we have mediation server, we have director server. As you know, there are two versions of Microsoft Lync. The first one is the standard edition, and we have also the enterprise edition. Of course, the standard edition did not have the high availability. For the third video, we have the Lync site topology. Also, we have infrastructure requirements, Lync features, external user access, persistent chat. We have migration from Lync Server 2010 to Lync Server 2013. We have Lync Server 2013 Best Practices Analyzer. We have monitoring and health configuration. We have troubleshooting server roles and services. We have also backing up and restoring Lync Server 2013. For the next series of videos, we're gonna talk about the 70-337 Enterprise Voice and Online Services with Microsoft Lync Server 2013. We're gonna talk about the inter-trunk routing and site basics. We're gonna talk also about voice routing and enterprise voice connecting to the PSTN. Also, we're gonna talk about voice application, E911 and the location services, which is for emergency. We're going to talk also about unified messaging, which is in the role in the Exchange server, M&N inter-working routing. Also, we're going to discuss also the call admission control, that control the bandwidth. We're going to talk also about Lync hybrid and Office online, and monitoring and archiving, which is the last video. For those users that they want to get certified with Microsoft, we recommend that they pass 5 exams in order to get the MCSE Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert in Communication. They have to pass 3 exams: 410, 411, 412 to get in Microsoft Certified Solution Associate in Windows Server 2012, plus the 2 exams 336 and 337. Or they can only pass 2 exams if they want to get only the certification of Lync Communications MCP. Please subscribe to my channel in order to get the latest useful video. I hope this is informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching.